Welcome to Splash Runner, the ultimate water racing adventure. Get ready to speed across breathtaking water tracks, dodge obstacles, and compete against the best in a high-speed aquatic showdown. In Splash Runner, you control a high-powered jet ski, maneuvering through intense waves, ramps, and tricky turns. With realistic water physics, every splash and wave adds to the excitement. Upgrade your ride, unlock new jet skis, and customize them with stunning colors and decals. Compete in time, trials, head-to-head races, and extreme stunt challenges, all set in beautifully designed tropical environments. Race against AI or challenge your friends in online multiplayer mode. Climb the global leaderboard, earn rewards, and prove you're the fastest on water. Feeling competitive? Take on daily challenges and special tournaments for exclusive prizes. With stunning graphics, realistic sound effects, and an adrenaline-pumping soundtrack, Splash Runner delivers a thrilling and immersive experience like never before. Are you ready to ride the waves and dominate the waters? Download Splash Runner now and start your racing journey today. MO/GO stands for momentum and growth, two forces that drive success in any area of life. Whether it's fitness, business, personal development, or relationships, MO/GO is the formula that turns effort into excellence. Momentum is what separates those who start and stop from those who achieve lasting success. Imagine pushing a car. It takes the most effort at the beginning, but once it starts rolling, it moves with less resistance. That's momentum in action. In life, momentum builds through consistency. The more often you show up and put in the work, the easier it becomes to keep going. Small actions compound into big results. The hardest part is getting started, but once you do, momentum will carry you forward. Momentum thrives on habits. If you train every day, your body adapts. If you work on a skill consistently, you master it over time. The secret? Take that first step and don't stop. Momentum alone isn't enough. You need growth. Growth means learning, evolving, and pushing your limits. It's about striving to be better than yesterday. Without growth, momentum loses direction. Think of a tree. It doesn't just grow taller. It develops deeper roots, stronger branches, and adapts to changing seasons. Your personal growth should be the same. Learn new skills, take on challenges, and embrace discomfort. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Growth requires failure, feedback, and persistence. The most successful people in the world don't avoid challenges, they embrace them. They understand that setbacks are part of progress. When momentum and growth come together, you create unstoppable progress. Athletes, entrepreneurs, and leaders all use MO/GO to reach new heights. They start small, build momentum, and constantly improve. So, if you have a goal, start now. Build momentum, stay consistent, and focus on growth. Success isn't about speed, it's about direction and persistence. MO/GO, get moving. Keep growing. Stay unstoppable. The Lunocet Pro Monofin is a revolutionary high-performance swimming device designed for speed, efficiency, and a natural underwater experience. Inspired by marine life, particularly dolphins, it offers an unmatched blend of biomechanics, technology, and engineering. Crafted from aerospace-grade carbon fiber and aluminum, the Lunocet Pro is incredibly lightweight yet highly durable. Its hydrodynamic shape minimizes drag while maximizing propulsion, allowing swimmers to move through water with speed and grace. The flexible, spring-loaded blade mimics the natural movement of a dolphin's tail, providing effortless power with each kick. This monofin is capable of helping swimmers reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, nearly 4 times faster than conventional fins. The biomechanical efficiency of the Lunocet reduces fatigue while improving endurance, making it a top choice for freedivers, triathletes, and underwater explorers. Equipped with adjustable foot pockets, the Lunocet Pro ensures a customized fit, reducing discomfort and enhancing control. The ergonomic design allows for smooth transitions between surface swimming and deep dives, making it a versatile tool for both professionals and enthusiasts. Whether you're a competitive swimmer, a freediver, or simply someone who loves the ocean, the Lunocet Pro takes your experience to the next level. It enhances leg strength, cardiovascular fitness, and technique, making it a valuable training tool. The Lunocet Pro Monofin is more than just a fin. It's a fusion of nature and technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the water. Elevate your swim. Experience the future of underwater movement today. Xiaomi, known for its innovative technology, has revolutionized manufacturing with its Xiaomi Smart Factory. Located in Beijing, this fully automated, next-generation facility is a cutting-edge model of intelligent manufacturing. Spanning over 18,600 square meters, the factory serves as an experimental hub for advanced automation, artificial intelligence, and 5G connectivity. Unlike traditional factories, it operates with minimal human intervention, relying on robots, IoT systems, and AI-driven analytics to optimize production. A key highlight is Xiaomi's self-developed production line, where smartphones are assembled, tested, and packaged with incredible precision and efficiency. This system ensures high-quality manufacturing while reducing costs and human error. The factory even produces its own circuit boards, demonstrating Xiaomi's commitment to self-sufficiency and innovation. One of its most impressive features is real-time quality monitoring. Using AI and big data, the system analyzes every stage of production, detecting defects and making automatic adjustments. This ensures that every Xiaomi product meets the highest standards. Beyond efficiency, the Xiaomi Smart Factory serves as a testing ground for next-gen technologies, allowing Xiaomi to refine automation techniques and future manufacturing trends. It represents the company's vision for a smarter, greener, and more efficient future in tech production. With this groundbreaking facility, Xiaomi is shaping the future of smart manufacturing, proving that innovation isn't just about products, it's about how they're made. The ProDrone PDH GS120 is a high-performance, single-rotor drone designed for professional applications. It features a powerful 120 cubic centimeters electronically controlled engine, providing exceptional efficiency and reliability. One of its standout features is long flight endurance. With an 8-liter fuel tank, the PDH GS120 can stay airborne for up to 2.5 hours, even while carrying a 15-kilogram payload. This makes it ideal for cargo transport, surveillance, and agricultural spraying over large areas. Its 2.2-meter rotor diameter provides excellent lift, yet the rotor is detachable, making the drone easy to transport and store. Despite its power, the PDH GS120 weighs less than 20 kilograms, ensuring portability. Speed is another advantage. This drone reaches a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour, with a comfortable cruising speed of 70 kilometers per hour. It also performs well in wind conditions up to 10 meters per second, making it reliable even in challenging environments. The PDH GS120 is highly versatile. It can be equipped with logistics boxes, zoom cameras, infrared sensors, and laser surveying instruments, allowing it to adapt to various missions. To enhance stability and accuracy, the drone uses a proprietary flight controller, integrating IMUs, GPS, and laser sensors for precise hovering, navigation, and autonomous flight capabilities. This drone is perfect for emergency response, infrastructure inspections, and disaster relief. Its high wind resistance and extended endurance ensure reliable performance in critical operations. The ProDrone PDH GS120 is a game-changer in aerial logistics and surveillance, combining power, efficiency, and versatility to meet the demands of modern professional drone applications. Imagine a laptop without a screen, where your entire workspace appears in front of you, floating in the air. Introducing the Spacetop G1, the world's first augmented reality laptop, designed to redefine the way we work and interact with technology. Developed by Sightful, the Spacetop G1 removes the limitations of physical screens, replacing them with an immersive 100-inch virtual workspace using AR glasses. No more clutter, no more multiple monitors, just a boundless digital environment tailored to you. This futuristic device is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chip, ensuring smooth and powerful AR experiences. The included AR glasses deliver 1080p resolution per eye, offering a crystal-clear virtual display. Despite its advanced technology, The Spacetop G1 retains the familiar feel of a laptop with a full-sized keyboard and trackpad, making it intuitive and easy to use. It's lightweight, portable, and designed for on-the-go. Productivity. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and 5G capabilities, Spacetop G1 enables seamless remote work, whether you're at home, in a cafe, or on the move. Battery life is optimized for long sessions, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Imagine having multiple screens without a physical monitor. Arrange your documents, browser tabs, and video calls in a fully customizable workspace. Unlike traditional screens, only you can see your display, ensuring privacy in public spaces. For professionals, multitasking becomes effortless, and for creatives, it offers a distraction-free environment with unlimited screen real estate. Whether you're coding, designing, or writing, the future of computing is here. The Spacetop G1 isn't just a new device. It's a revolution in productivity. With cutting-edge AR technology and an infinite digital workspace, it's designed for those ready to embrace the future. Are you ready to go beyond the screen?